Taiwanese American Federation of Northern California consists of 8 regional local associations. We have, from the left, this Mid-Peninsula Taiwanese American. Let me go this way. This is Ji Yu. She is the president of Mid-Peninsula Taiwanese Association. Yu Yi, Yu会长. And this is Tim Lin. He is the president of Senior Taiwanese Association of Northern California. 林登模，林会长，中会会林会长。This is our Vice President, Joe Cho, 周信杰. And this is Jocelyn Chen. She is the president of Silicon Valley Taiwanese Association. 这样有戏骨台湾同乡会会长。这是李明珠，他代表他是我们北加东台湾同乡会代表旧金山同乡会的理事李明珠李会长。She is the representative into our board of directors for San Francisco Taiwanese Association, Northern California. And this is Xiang Zhu Chu. He is the president of East Bay Taiwanese Association. 台湾中央会会长邱祥祖哈。And this is Guo Zhong. He is the president of Taiwanese American Intercultural. And 这是咱台湾协进会的会长桂中桂会长。And this is Gong Mei Li. She is the president of Northern America Taiwanese Women Association of Northern California chapter. I'm sorry, it's a long word. NAGWA. 林根美林会长，台湾北壁湖会北加州分会会长，哇！然后我们有陈丽都陈女士，Nancy Hong，she is the representative of Senior Taiwanese Association of Northern California。AI 讲啊，伊是咱的北加州台湾东乡的人会这个资助吼，伊伊即马现在是迄个中会会的这个理事吼，会长伫遐我有讲所以讲你是代表文化节，对，文化节的主委，谢谢大家，Thank you very much。